humans emit millions of tons of carbon dioxide in the air every day from their different industries and transportations, adding more to global warming and spreading pollution, diseases, and worsening environmental crises. Nitrogen Fertilizer Factory provides a solution to this problem by using CO2 as a raw material to produce nitrogen fertilizer. The factory starts with taking in the captured CO2, along with nitrogen, hydrogen, and nitric acid. Then it undergoes a series of chemical reactions to produce urea ammonium nitrate, liquid ammonia, and fresh water. These are high-quality nitrogen fertilizers that adapt to various types of soils. Nitrogen Fertilizer Factory produces high quantities of nitrogen fertilizers with a net profit of $186 million. And that's how the factory succeeded in finding the perfect solution for the emitted CO2 and converting it into an eco-friendly product that is used in agriculture and has a high profit.